freaking magic. Hello, beautiful people. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is Monday. That kid looks so fucking guilty. Hello, beautiful people. Hope you're having a fantastic Monday. Today has already been a very long day, and I'm feeling pretty tired overall. It's likely due to all the videos and staying up late for those, so I'm going to try and get it over with very quickly today. Ideally, the rest of the day is going to consist of work. I'm going to go over to the hardware store after work, and then I'm going to pick up all those parts and components that I wasn't able to get the day before. I'm probably going to go to Lowe's because I know they have the fittings that I want. And then we'll just head back onto the house and go from there. Probably going to be a good deal of cooking today. Probably also going to be a good deal of putting together that last bit of the project and ripping apart what I did and securing it properly. Just spent a little time making sure that looks great. And then hopefully the rest of the afternoon is just going to be editing for maybe an hour. And then from there, just enjoy some time with my wife. That'd be the ultimate awesome. I watched a video from someone I've been watching for a little while talking about the worth of an engineering degree. And overall, I agreed with what he said, that an engineering degree, the information itself, it's debatable depending on what you're actually doing with it. But overall, if the engineering degree gets you to a position that you like doing and it pays you well in addition to that, then I think it's a worthwhile degree. One thing I think people skate over whenever they're discussing if a degree is worth it or not is that there's a level of responsibility that goes along with that degree that not everybody is up for taking advantage of. So if you're not interested in being responsible over people and potentially going up to the managerial positions, engineering degrees, they can have their pluses and minuses. It's obviously not all just design work, and it's obviously not all just managerial work. You find a balance with whatever job you end up being with. I think it's overall amazingly worth it. I love my degree. I love how I got it. And I love the finances that revolved around the degree, as well as the worthwhile of it. I've gotten folds back already just being these past 3 and some years out of college. I've already gotten the payback for my degree for sure. But a lot of people don't consider that if you really hate your job or you're not extremely ecstatic about going into work every single day, maybe not even every single day or just ever, then you really are kind of just wasting your life and your time, and it'd be best to find something that better suits you. So that's kind of my personal take on whether or not an engineering degree is worth it. It's kind of, it depends on the person, so. What's up? So we're out here at Home Depot. I'm picking up some extra parts that I needed from yesterday, the elbow as well as the T that I'm looking for the fish tank. And I'm also going to check out some paints while I'm here. Might as well. Happy Veterans Day from Lowe's. Another semi-successful trip to the hardware store where I was again not able to get my PVC tee. They just didn't have the right size this time. Kind of the same problem, but I've always gotten that exact size from Lowe's, so I'm kind of surprised. Home Depot is right there, but I'm very doubtful they will also have it because I was there yesterday. Anyway, going home. Bam! We're back in the cellar. We're about to, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to them. I'm talking to them.
Okay,
Close
I
the door.
I thought you said my name. All right, calm down. Do you want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch, for dinner?
Give me 30.
Okay. Hi, people.
Bam! We're back in the cellar where we're about to rip this apart gently because I want to reuse basically all of it. Yeah, you can tell how this didn't quite work out very well, so let's tear it down. Alright, so we are done with the installation and I just wanted to run you through a really quick inspection, so let's check it out. So, here you have it. It's significantly better. Like, oh my god, it's so much better. Seriously, it was not that bad. I got this all lined up, nice and pretty, with all the recommendations on the slope of it. Better picture here. Just like that. Okay. But you can see it's nice, it's straight, all the seams are taped up. It's installed, and it's installed properly. All the way down to the last detail. Hello ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed that peek into my Monday. Not sure why, but the volume always seems to cut off at the very end of my video sections. Obviously, if you like the video, feel free to hit that like button. And also, if you want to come back again and again for some Ryan goodness, hit that subscribe button. And if you hated the video and everything about it, or just hate my whole installation process, feel free to hit that dislike button. I love haters. We're all learning together, so have a fantastic day, and let's move on to Tuesday.